Today we're replacing the lens and the light bulbs in the taillight. We have our 2 screwdrivers, our rag for touching the light bulb, so you don't want to get your oils on it, and we have the taillight and the light bulb. First things first, you need to take out the top bolt, the top screw. And the bottom one. Take the taillight apart from the light bulbs itself. Turn it. Turn it. And turn it. And there's the taillight. Next, I need to disconnect the wiring harness because I'm not going to use this wiring harness for the new light. I don't need to. This one's perfectly fine. So just the same thing as that light, pull it apart. Pull it apart. Pull it apart. I'm going to touch these light bulbs because they're going in the garbage anyways. 1, 2, and 3. Now, same thing for this harness. Just don't touch the light bulbs. 1. So that was for the bottom one. Just push it back into this one. Make sure they're tight. Alright. There. That one should be working, that one should be working, and that one should be working. All I need to do now is take this, screw this, and just like that, you have a new taillight.